Struggling to make audio visuals? What if I told you there's a way to create real-time professional audio visualization without expensive plugins, slow modifiers, or spending hours on YouTube tutorials that go nowhere? Introducing Shark's Audio Visualiser plugin, the first system that makes anything in Resolve react to your audio in real time. With over 15 sound control nodes to smooth, boost, and EQ your audio, 20+ reactive effects, and 40+ customizable visualizer nodes, you can create everything from classy character zooms to NCS-style spectrums in just minutes. And the best part? It's completely free. Here's how it works. Open the Audio Visualiser Converter app, drag in your audio, and click Convert. Then drop the converted image into Resolve, add a fusion comp or adjustment clip, connect the nodes, and boom, instant real-time visualization. Even beginners can use it right away. Just download the ready-to-use pack, drop a preset, and get professional results instantly. So if you're ready to transform your visuals and level up your edits, click the link in the description to grab Shark's Audio Visualiser plugin now for free. Have fun creating.
Shark